October 23, 2024 marked a special day for the Hatay region in Türkiye, as 3 new schools, funded by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, were officially inaugurated. These facilities will provide more than 2,000 children a safe space to continue their education in an area deeply affected by the devastating earthquakes of February 2023. Elder Ruben V. Alio, president of the Church's Europe Central area, joined Turkish officials, including Dr. Yusuf Tekin, the Minister of National Education, at the opening ceremony. Together, they celebrated a milestone in Türkiye's journey to rebuild and restore hope.
It's about not building with bricks, but building with faith, building people, building hope. You are the future of this country.
The 3 schools, located in the villages of Aşağıoba, Serinyol and Üzümdağlı, feature earthquake-resistant structures, modular designs, and facilities that prioritize light, space, and accessibility. With 12 classrooms in each school, these buildings can host up to 360 students daily.
Bu kadar büyük bir afet yaşandıktan sonra vatandaşlarımızın, dışarıya göç eden vatandaşlarımızın bunların çoğunun eğitim amaçlı olduğunu gözlemledik. Biz okulları inşa etmeliyiz ki dedik, bunları biz tekrar vatandaşlarımızı geriye döndürmüş olalım ki şehrimiz normalleşsin, hareketlensin, ekonomik hayattır, kültürel hayattır, gayet normal hale gelsin diye uğraşmış olduk. Dolayısıyla bu adımda bu 3 tane okul bizim için çok önemli oldu.
Funded entirely by church donations and built in just 4 months, these schools are part of the Church's commitment to alleviating suffering and promoting community resilience. These schools stand as a beacon of hope in the heart of Hatay.